Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's Base. Today we're doing a new science experiment. We're doing the blowing balloon. We have the balloon and this, I don't know what it's called. And just put this. This is the vinegar and this is the bottle. And I don't know what is this. And this is the spoon. This is balloon and this is soda powder. First, we need to add the vinegar. First, we need to add. First, we need this and put it in the bottle. Be careful. Okay, I don't know how to do. And we just do like and put it just this right here. And put some powder, but first I need to open this. Scoop. Scoopy scoop. I just love this. And add another drop. Oopsie daisy. There we go. That's really small, so fast. And just we need to get it inside the balloon. Really careful. Oh. It's just not really hard. I'm going to take out this. And let's just do like this. Okay, and let's. Wow! That is amazing. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! That is seriously crazy. Look at that. It's almost cold. I can't believe it. This is working. Thank you for watching to watch my video. And you want to watch my video, click down below. Bye!